Hello, I am Amanda Baustert, and this is my Journey to Mastery presentation. Screen share here. The first month of class, we've been studying Mastery by Robert Greene. The class is Personal Development and Leadership. My goals are on the screen. Number 1, define and understand my creative task. Number 2, conduct research on Paulo Coelho and his journey to mastery. And number 3, familiarize myself with new media and learning outlets. And I'm utilizing the tactics there on the screen. Month 2 is the art of storytelling. My first goal is to research emerging media for storytelling. My second goal is to start each day with writing prompts. And my third goal is to explore trends in writing and teaching. And I'm going to utilize the tactics on the screen. Month 3 is script analysis and criticism. My first goal is to understand the elements of a narrative. My second goal is to learn different script elements specific to different multimedia. And my third goal is to learn to offer constructive criticism of a peer's script. And my tactics, again, are on the screen. For the 4th month of the MFA Creative Writing Program, it's character creation and development. My 3 goals are listed. Number 1, develop a character from a story I am already creating. Number 2, I would like to break down the psychology of an existing character from any book of my choice. And number 3, understand 3-dimensional character development. For that, I'm going to utilize Crafting the Character Arc by Jenny Jarvis. That was recommended by Dr. Carrie Whaley, so I'm looking forward to that. Month 5 is episodic and serial writing. My first goal is to work collaboratively to create a serial episode. My second goal, to understand the differences in writing for serials for TV, comic, and the web. And my third goal is to continue writing my daily prompts. The 6th month, our class is film screenwriting. My first goal is to create a scene for film. My second goal is to edit a personal script. And my third goal is to develop professional critique habits. For that, I'm going to use the Full Sail subscription to LinkedIn Learning, which I've really enjoyed. Specifically, I'm going to use a video called Editing Mastery. The 7th month is writing for games. My first goal is to understand the overarching different story themes in gaming. For this, I'm going to utilize a hands-on play of various games. I have not yet found a game that I enjoy to play. I would like to make that a goal so that therefore I can enjoy writing for gaming. My second goal is to research different genres, including mythology, fantasy, and science fiction, using the Dictionary of Imaginary Places. And the third goal is to research trends in gaming. For this, I'm going to utilize PC Gamer subscription through the Full Sail library. 8th month, the program course is storytelling and storyboarding for animation. My first goal is to understand the basics of animation storyboarding. My second goal is to explore the different styles of animating masters. And my third goal is to continue with character development with animation in mind. For the 9-month class, it is advanced script editing. My first goal is to revise a previous script I have written. My second goal is to continue exploring editing techniques. And my third goal is to write for 1 hour each day. Month 10, Creative Writing Portfolio 1. I'm really excited about this. This is goal number 1. I begin working on a final thesis project. Goal number 2, I will continue exploring writing trends using the Writer's Digest subscription through Full Sail's library. And goal number 3, continue to research emerging media for storytelling. Month 11, my first goal, I'm going to complete that final thesis piece. Second goal, write for 1 hour each day. And then my third goal is I'm going to explore methods of distribution specific to the different entertainment genres. And for this, I'm going to use resources that I will gather throughout the course. Month 12, my final month of the Creative Writing Masters of Fine Arts program. My first goal is to research publishing trends in writing. My second goal is to build a personal brand awareness. For this, I'm going to use resources gathered throughout the course and take advantage of the Full Sail's Library Communications and Media database. My third goal is to submit a final piece for publication. All right, industry leaders include Charles J. Martin of Literati Press here in Oklahoma, Brittany Pickering from the Oklahoma Gazette, Dana Dunbar, Sir Ken Robinson. I've added a couple more. Sterling Harjo, Jennifer Barnes, she's a professor and writer from the University of Oklahoma, Jenny Jarvis from Full Sail University, and Paulo Coelho. Professional clubs and organizations that I'm going to look into along my journey. Oklahoma Writers Federation, the Association for Women in Communications, and Creative Mornings. Professional Learning Network includes Red Hen Press, Oklahoma Gazette, and Love Story Media. Clubs within the Full Sail community that I intend to be a part of are the Creative Writing Club, Women in Film and Television, and Visionary Voices. Qualities in a mentor that I am looking for: time available to mentor, a published author, experience educating at a vocational or college level, non-judgmental, ability to give constructive feedback and direction, ability to connect me with resources, and the last two are pretty important: a sense of humor and a flexibility of spirit. Here is my timeline for the MFA program. Mastery, I will learn how to set tangible steps to work towards my life's creative task. Number 2, visual storytelling. I will learn to use images to evoke emotions through a variety of mediums. Number 3, script analysis. I will learn various elements of narrative as they transcend across mediums. Number 4, character creation. I will learn to break down the psychology and backstory of characters in order to make them believable and relatable. Number 5, episodic and serial writing. I'll work with a team to learn how to break down storylines for different types of episodes. Number 6, film screenwriting. I will write my own film script and learn the structure of film. Number 7, writing for games. I will learn different genres of games and how storytelling functions in that medium. Number 8, animation. I will use skills developed from previous courses and learn techniques unique to animation to create a storyboard. Number 9, advanced script editing. I will edit and revise an existing thesis script. Number 10, portfolio 1. I will take all the skills learned from previous courses and combine them into a final project in a genre of my choice. Number 2, I will have the opportunity to take feedback from that final project, and I can revise and polish. And number 12, the business of creative writing. I will learn the publishing, marketing, and legalities of creative writing so that when I am done with the course, I can move on to the next chapter of my life. I've got 2 pages of references. Leave those on the screen for a second. And here is my contact information if anybody wants to keep in touch. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'm sure we'll be talking soon. Thanks.